Arrive in style with this 2011 BMW 5 Series 535i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are number of drivers, 2, seatbelt pretensioners, front, run flat, exterior mirrors, heated, includes exterior mirrors, front headrests, height adjustable, antenna type, diversity, one-touch windows, 4, and front airbags, dual. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.